एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल ऑफ लर्निंग रूट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे टॉपिक पर जिसे वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स अपने करियर में एक गेम चेंजर मानते हैं, एन ऑनलाइन MBA। However, we'll be talking about top 10 affordable online MBA programs in India। तो अगर आप तैयार हैं अपने करियर को नए हाइट्स पे पहुंचाने के लिए तो देखते रहिए। Now let's get back to the topic। What makes these online MBA programs stand out? ये प्रोग्राम को अफोर्डेबल बनाता है बिना किसी क्वालिटी को कॉम्प्रोमाइज किए हुए। ये इंस्टीट्यूट्स आपको ऑफर करते हैं accredited programs with experienced faculty, a robust curriculum and flexible learning options, all at a reasonable cost. Starting off our list at number 10, we have Amity University, which will cost you around 1,79,000 only. Amity is among the top private institutes with its physical colleges in numerous cities. The university is ranked in top 10 Asia Pacific in QS ranking 2023, is known for regular and online courses. इसके थ्रू आप वेरियस स्पेशलाइजेशन में अफोर्डेबल वे में MBA कर सकते हैं। At number 9, we have Lovely Professional University. LPU is another such universities with affordable online programs. You can enroll into the course with just rupees 1,76,000. The UGC University provides online classes with an innovative virtual learning environment, 24/7 academic support, and industry-oriented curriculum and interactive live lectures. अब चलते हैं नंबर 8 पर, मणिपाल ऑनलाइन यूनिवर्सिटी। This is one of the top universities for MBAs and is renowned for its flexible learning options and affordable tuition fees. ये परफेक्ट फिट है उन लोगों के लिए जो बैलेंस करना चाहते हैं स्टडीज और काम को। And the exciting thing is, it will cost you around 1,75,000. And now cracking into the top 7, we have DY Patil University, one of the India's most famous private universities. It provides studies with a tailored course curriculum, live lectures, course material, and more. DY Patil's online MBA will help you develop a self-learning attitude with its 24/7 support. The per semester fees is 42,500 and the yearly fee is 1,70,000. Moving on to number 6, UPES is a university of tomorrow. With an integrated AI curriculum, ये हेल्प करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को अडाप्ट करने के लिए न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी और प्रिपेयर करते हैं जॉब मार्केट के लिए। UPES ऑफर करते हैं MBA स्पेशलाइजेशन इंक्लूडिंग सम एक्सक्लूसिव स्पेशलाइजेशन लाइक MBA in oil and gas management, power management, etc. The per semester fee starts from 37,500 and the total fees is 1,50,000. But it also depends upon the specialization that you choose. At number 5, we have Jain Online University, which is very famous for providing various courses. The total fee starts from 1,50,000 and ranges up to 2,60,000. Here, affordable MBA courses include MBA in Finance, Marketing Systems, Operations Management, Journal Management, and Human Resource Management. You can pursue advanced MBA courses including International Finance, Integrated Marketing, etc. Tap in for number 4. As Hindustan Online University is featured in World University Rankings and is accredited by NIRF and NAAC. The total fees is 1,20,000 and the cost per semester is 30,000. Let's buckle up to number 3, Shulini Online University, which is very well known in India for its affordable online programs. The per semester fees is 22,500 and the total fees is 90,000. Hold on to your hats for number 2, उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी, जो लोकेटेड है देहरादून, उत्तराखंड में। ये ऑफर करते हैं क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस और अफोर्डेबल फीस। आप इस यूनिवर्सिटी से लर्न कर सकते हैं मैनेजरियल स्किल्स, वो भी लाइव क्लासेस, पर्सनलाइज्ड मेंटरशिप एंड इंटीग्रेटेड LMS एंड e-लाइब्रेरी के हेल्प से। Their per semester fees is 20,500 and the total fees is 82,000. Finally, वो moment आ गया। Indira Gandhi Open University is here to take the ground at number 1. IGNOU is recognized by UGC, accredited by NAAC and approved by AICTE. It offers the entire MBA program in just rupees 60,000 and the per semester fees is 15,500. This was all about the top 10 affordable MBA programs. For more queries, visit the Learning Roots website. You can filter their colleges, degrees, states, courses, fees, and study modes to find your perfect match. So if you like our videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe button.